A stealth flyer? It's no wonder you can't see those things. Hey, what's up there, YouTubers? Black Xana here, and welcome back to another Random Builds Reviews. For this video, we are going to be reviewing is the G-Shadow from the Moderoid God Gravion model kit set. So here we are, and there it is. And as much as I want to toss the box, we've already did that back in part 1. Alright. So, a few things about G-Shadow as we get into this little vehicle. It is piloted by the 6th member of the Grand Knights, who happens to be Leela Zaravire, daughter of Klein Sandman, aka Zeke Zaravire. Of course, that kind of information isn't revealed until Season 2. So a G-Shadow forms is mostly the main chest and a back part of Gravion, as well as the back of the head, or helmet, if you will. It's supposed to be some sort of a modified stealth plane for the vehicle's design. At least for this Gran Diva. You can probably get a stand on this, as there's a hole in the bottom. I should probably work on getting a few stands myself just to have this displayed properly. But it is a nifty little craft fighter. In Season 1, it mostly flies around for reconnaissance and doesn't do much as a vehicle alone. There was an episode in Season 2 where the wings would fold right in and you have something as a submarine mode. And yes, that was a thing. Well, it's not just the main wings, but also somewhere in the back. But as this is more of a model build, yeah, the back wings here just don't fold up to match. Oh well, it is what it is. Oh. And I do have to say it's a nifty little stealth vehicle. And since this is being one of the last of the Gran Divas, let's bring in the rest of the team for comparison. Starting with, let's see, this one is G Striker, G Attacker, yeah, they sort of like make G-Shadow a dwarf in size. Here it is with G Driller. And I'm sad to say that there was a combination sometime in Season 2 where when the Gran Divas were deploying from Saint Germain Castle or the Gravigorath, they would dock the two halves of G Driller onto the G Shadow. Unfortunately, there is no connection point to do just that with this model kit. I wish that there was. I think they did that with the Sentinel versions, but I don't have that set. I'm more comfortable with what I have with all this. Saves me the trouble and the money. Come on, open up. There we go. There we go. Plug these back together. Okay. And last but not least is the Grand Kaiser. Yep. And believe me, the Grand Kaiser sort of diminishes all the Gran Divas in height within comparisons. I do have to say, with all 5 of these being completed, there's still the extra parts, such as weapons, and of course, Grand Kaiser's non-transforming upper torso. Might do that in the next video, because there's still some trays left, as well as parts. That being said, now as much as I want to combine all these Gran Divas and the Gran Kaiser into Gravion right now, that may have to wait for at least another 2-3 videos, maybe? 2? Who knows? But I will say this much. I'm really enjoying how all this is turning out. I really am. So. Alright. So with G Shadow now complete, we've got the entire team. And we'll deal with the rest of the trays in the next video. I've already said that, of course. And I think I'm going to end here. I know this is turning out to be short, but what can you do? I'm tired. So be that as it may. So in any case, this is Black Xana saying, tower deactivated. I'll be back with many more good videos. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't, as well as subscribing to my not the toy channel, as well as subscribing to my gaming and vlogging channel. Link in the descriptions down below. Excuse me. And I will see you all until next time. Bye. Okay, so now I just gotta put in the transformation cog and... What? Astro! Get in here! Yeah, Jess, what's up? Don't you what's up me. Did you do this? What? To this? Yeah, this. Taking away half of the G-Shadow and a lot of hard work. Sorry, Jazz, but I know nothing about this. Have you tried talking to Optimus Prime or Grimlock? Grimlock? Wait a minute. This new flyer's tasty. Like turbine turkeys. Grimlock! Uh-oh, it's Jazz. Grimlock, you spit that? And you just ate it. Grimlock, you dumb Dinobot. It's 2 weeks down the drain of hard work. You got anything to say before I go reporting to Prime? Hey, look! It's Barricade! Barricade? How do you get in? Yoink! Yoink! Wait, who? I got suckered, didn't I? Alright, this means war. Oh, Grimlock, where are you?